Want to create stunning AI-generated images or artwork? In this tutorial, we'll dive into Leonardo AI, a powerful tool for creators and designers. Sign up for a free account on the Leonardo AI platform, log in and explore the user-friendly dashboard, which includes features like image generation, model training, and community resources. You can explore featured models to get inspired by clicking on a specific model and choosing Generate this model. You will copy the prompt used to make the model, which you can customize, add a negative prompt, and remix. Now click on Image Generation, and here you'll be able to type in a prompt, choose a model from the pre-built options, or use the custom model if you've already trained one. With your prompt, you'll guide the AI on how to generate an image with this model. Now on the left-hand side, you can choose the number of images and toggle on specific options, like photorealism, prompt magic, and making your image public. If you're stuck on a prompt, you can use the AI prompt generator. Select the number of prompts and click on Generate. Using sliders in Prompt Magic, customize the strength of the tool. By upgrading to a premium plan, you can also take advantage of Leonardo Alchemy, adjust the guidance scale, and play around with a few more options. If you want to use an image as an input, you can upload it from here. Once your artwork is ready, you can go to the AI Canvas tool. From here you can import your images, crop them, stag them, and add any effects you desire. In the canvas, you can type in a prompt, select a part of the image, and extend it using the Generate tool. Choose from one of 4 options. You can do this as many times as you'd like. Once your artwork is ready, select your preferred format and export it or share it directly with your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.